Are you tired of getting your accounts blocked while managing multiple online profiles? Hi, my name is Michelle, and today I'm excited to introduce you to GoLogin, one of the leading anti-detect browsers designed for secure multi-accounting with ease. This might be your new secret weapon for online anonymity. The internet today, it isn't as open and simple as it used to be. Some content is restricted by location, websites track your every move, and managing multiple online accounts can feel impossible. So whether you're trying to browse privately, access geo-blocked content, or securely manage multiple accounts, you need a tool that gives you full control over your online identity. I can give a great example of how GoLogin could be very helpful because I'm in marketing. There's often times that I would need to be logged into the same platform, but different accounts for my clients. So instead of constantly signing out of one so that I could sign into another, GoLogin would allow for you to set up multiple profiles so you could be logged into both accounts simultaneously. GoLogin isn't just about privacy. It's about freedom, security, and total control over your online experience. So what makes GoLogin stand out? Let's check out some of its top features. First, you can unblock any content. You'll be able to access restricted sites, streaming platforms, and services from anywhere in the world. You also get full digital privacy. Unlike regular browsers, GoLogin stops websites from tracking you. You can get multi-account management. You can easily switch between different profiles for work, social media, or business without logging in and out or risking account bans. It also gives you the ability to work securely from anywhere. Share your accounts with your team without sharing passwords. Give teammates controlled access for safe remote work and collaboration. No IP bans, no tracking. GoLogin hides more than just your location. It disguises your entire digital fingerprint, so trackers, ads, and anti-fraud systems can't follow you. You'll also get 2 gigabytes of free residential proxies. Enjoy fast, reliable access around the globe, included free with every plan. Let's just take a quick look at how GoLogin works once you've downloaded it to your computer. So when you open it, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. It's going to have your profiles all listed over here. Now, if you want to change any of this information, all you have to do is go over to settings, and then you will be able to change the name to this. So I might have this one as my personal account, and I'm just going to hit enter. If I need to leave notes for myself, I can add any folders under here. If I wanted to choose a different proxy, that would be listed there. You can see we've got different options all based on this profile. Now let's say I had another profile and I wanted this one to be maybe for client A. We could save that, and then I could log into all of client A's accounts that I needed to manage. So if I was managing social media for them, I could do that. If they had email marketing platforms that were specific to them, I could use that profile to manage all of their things. So how it works, all you need to do is when you're ready to launch one of these profiles is to hit the run button. And then it's going to launch this Orbita browser. And so anything that I do search for is all going to be contained in this profile. So I can log into whatever accounts I need to and manage anything I need to with this account. And then if I were to wanting to go back and then I really need to be working in this for another client, I could hit run for client A, and then it will launch a new browser. And looks like this one was bookmarked for Facebook. So all I would need to do then is log in to my Facebook account for that client, if I was needing to manage things like social media, of course. So it's definitely a way to keep things tidy, keep things separate, allow you to not have all of those conflicting login issues, and to keep things very safe and very private so that you can feel like you are secure while you are using the web. Very simple and very easy. So what about costs? GoLogin offers a forever free plan where you can create up to 3 profiles, or you can try any of the premium features for 7 days risk-free and no credit card required. You can upgrade to advanced plans for even more profiles, proxies, automation, and cloud collaboration. And if you want to use those premium features, you can use my promo code Michelle10, and that's going to get you 10% off. So if you want privacy, security, and complete online freedom, GoLogin is the tool you need. All the details can be found in the description. As always, if you found this video helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.